Hey, what's going on, Salty Scales friends? This is Joshua back with another How To Thursday. What better day than today than to show you the notorious Trilene fishing knot. Very simple knot. It's really just another version of the clinch knot, or the two-turn knot, I think is what some people call it. But it's very, very simple and very effective for both fluorocarbon and monofilament leaders. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do it. A few simple steps. So the very first step, all you want to do is go ahead and run your leader material through the eyelet of your hook, swivel, or in this case, my mission fishing jig head. Now, you want to go ahead and run it right back through the eyelet of the hook a second time. And that's really one of the main differences between this knot and just your regular improved clinch knot. Now, what I'll do is I'll just hold with my thumb and my middle finger that loop, and then start wrapping 5 to 6 times. 1, 2, and there's the 5th one. So now if you look, you should be just about right here. You'll see the 2 loops down here where my thumb and now my index finger is holding, and then you'll see this tag end. What you want to do is just run that tag end right through both of the loops that you've created. Hold your main line with your left hand, and obviously you'll do this opposite if you're left-handed, and then hold your tag line and your jig or your hook with your right hand. Now what you want to do is slowly pull the main line, but you want to make sure that you moisten this line here before you pull it all the way snug. A little bit of saliva will do that just fine. Go ahead and start to pull tight, and you'll see that the knot nicely seats on the eyelet of either your jig head, swivel, or your hook. And what you'll do is go ahead and trim this little tag here, and that is the end result. Very, very strong, very effective, super easy to tie. All right, so now I want to show it to you in real time. Go ahead, take the line or your leader, run it through the eyelet of your mission fishing or your hook or swivel, then run it back through the same eyelet a second time. Now what this will do is create the loop that you see here. Hold it with your middle finger and your thumb, wrap 5 times. Take your tag in and run it back through the double loop. Now at this stage in the knot, you want to go ahead and use some saliva to make sure that the knot properly seats down on whatever you're tying it on, and it'll look just that clean. You trim the tag and you're all ready to go. Alright, I may or may not have told you, but we actually started carrying some 13 fishing products, and some of these products we've actually packaged up as a gift pack on our website, saltyscales.com. But I wanted to show you this for our next video. Tackle Tuesday is going to be very interesting. This is the new 13 Fishing Concept Z3 reel. As you can see, it's a lot larger than your normal bait caster, and I can't wait to go into all the details, so stay tuned for the next video. Now if you like this video, please give a like, also comment below, and hey, follow us guys. We got a lot more informative videos to come. We appreciate it. Make sure you share this video. Until next time, I'll see you on the water.